Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Killer.
Yeah, no. Yeah, when we talk, people don't believe me, so we have to make them see it. They not believe me. When we talk, they not believe me.
This heartless world where we live in. What kind of world we live in, people? Y'all tell me say you couldn't even take them furniture there. And millions of dollars of furniture that, you know. Probably up to 20 million, you know. Y'all tell me say you couldn't call Father how long? Call the army. Call some church. You know, give it like a charity. Look how much people homeless. Look how much people live without nothing. Y'all tell me say you couldn't. If I even forget the workers them where they on the site where I work for you right there, so cause my sister that some renovation are going right there, so not even them you that give the furniture. What kind of heartless world we live in? It's a Jamaican hotel this, you know. That me I get to understand. You know, but it's not ours, so we can't really, you know, feel any way about it. You understand? It's not ours, it's not our things, but can you imagine the amount of lives you could have helped with that? Right there, so. But people, this is what Dancehall Killer is about. Showing you what's going on in this world. You see me? Yeah. Well, as always, you know, as me say, it's not ours, so you cannot feel any way, not have any issues about it like that. But it would be a good suggestion or advice to see, you know, if they could just give it to someone that need it. You see me? But anyways, like me say, I just keep on posted and I'm gonna see what go on in and around the world, especially at Jamaica. You don't know they're gonna Dancehall Killer things. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way just say a Dancehall Killer ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?